Good morning students. In previous class, we have studied about the function of lubricants. In today's class, we will continue with the next topic of the same chapter, that is mechanism of lubrication. What do you mean by mechanism of lubrication? Mechanism of lubrication means how to apply a lubricant between the moving surfaces or in any type of machinery. As the application of different type of lubricants is different. Solid lubricants are applied by different process, liquid lubricants are applied by different process, and semi-solid lubricants has to be applied by any other type of process. In today's class, we will study first type of mechanism of lubrication, that is hydrodynamic lubrication. Hydrodynamic lubrication is also known by other name, that is fluid film lubrication. Its one more name is known, that is thick film lubrication. As we know by the name, we see here a word that is hydrodynamic and also see fluid. What do you mean by fluid? Fluid means anything that is in the liquid state. This type of mechanism uses liquid lubricant as for the function between the two moving surfaces. In this type of mechanism, two moving surfaces are separated by a bulk film of liquid lubricant, that is thick film of 1000 angstrom. We will introduce a thick film of liquid lubricants between the two moving surfaces. Two moving surfaces, when separated by this bulk lubricating film or oil, they do not come directly in contact with each other, and in this case their friction, wear and tear reduces. Their peaks and valleys do not get interlocked, and any type of losses between the two moving parts is reduces, or we can overcome by applying the lubricants. Coefficient of friction is one of the term used here. Coefficient of friction means the friction appears between the two surfaces. The formula for the coefficient of friction is force required to cause motion, that is F, divided by applied load. Force required to cause motion divided by applied load. In case of unlubricated surface, that is very high. It is approximately equal to 0.5 to 1.5. But after this type of lubrication, that is hydrodynamic lubrication, this coefficient of friction decreases to 0.001 to 0.03. That is the decrease in coefficient of friction after lubrication of this type, that is fluid film lubrication. Let us now understand the examples of the machinery which use this type of lubrication. Some machines like delicate scientific items, sewing machines, scientific instruments are provided with fluid film lubrication. In this type of lubrication, we use liquid lubricants that are hydrocarbon oils. But as we know, hydrocarbon oils are very thin and their viscosity decreases on increasing temperature. When we apply directly hydrocarbon oils between the two surfaces on working time of machine, when the temperature rises, the hydrocarbon oil get thin, its viscosity decreases, and it can move between the two moving surfaces. So it is not sufficient to add only one type of hydrocarbon oil for lubrication. To overcome this problem, some antioxidants are added in the hydrocarbon oils. They get used to thick the oil and to keep them at particular place. They retain them between the two surfaces. That is very necessary to add some antioxidants in hydrocarbon oil to keep them thick or its viscosity high. So in today's class, we have studied about the first type of mechanism of lubrication, that is hydrodynamic lubrication. I hope you all understand the topic. In the next class, we will come with the second type of mechanism of lubrication. Thank you for the day. Good day.